Brussels was hit by a powerful storm on Tuesday afternoon, bringing heavy rain, hail, and strong gusts of wind. The severe weather resulted in heavy loss of life and significant disruption throughout the city. One of the worst affected areas is the municipality of Uccle. The storm crossed various regions of Belgium, with Brussels bearing the brunt of it. Heavy rain began falling at around 16 so, surprising many residents before the Royal Meteorological Institute, RMI, issued a code orange warning and ordered the closure of all green open spaces at 17. The tunnel was flooded, leaving many cars trapped. Train service was disrupted for several hours due to fallen trees on the tracks and power lines. In Uccle alone, many trees were uprooted, and private property and public infrastructure suffered heavy damage. The ceiling of the public parking lot on Rue de Doyenné collapsed under the pressure of the storm. The Brussels Fire Brigade was inundated with emergency calls, responding to 86 incidents as of Wednesday morning. This included 46 cases of other objects falling onto streets and sidewalks, 22 trees falling, and 18 cases of streets and basements flooding. The bad weather also resulted in several power outages in Brussels. Ixelles and Boulevard Mettewie and Molenbeek were most affected.